Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to change the list icon in Google Maps so that you can customize your saved places. So first you need to open Google Maps application. Then after you do that, as you can see in the bottom you will see U option. You just click on that. Then when you just scroll down a little bit you will see your lists. You can choose the list that you want, and as you can see there is three dots. You click on that, then you will see the option edit list. You click on that. Then as you can see here you can name this list, and there is edit icon. You just click on that, and as you can see there is a lot of option of icons. You can just choose the icon that you want for this list. Then you just go back and you will see the button save on the top right corner. You click on that and that's it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video.